Okay, great day everyone. So this tutorial video is about how to use coupon code on iHelp website. No? So once na-receive niyo na po yung coupon code, so naka-depend po yan sa specific na promo ni iHelp. So yung coupon code na to is accessible from specific product then. So for example, from certification workshop, avail niyo po yung certified leadership performance mentor. I-add to cart niyo lang po yan. Okay? So nasa add to cart na po siya. Then click niyo po yung checkout button. So once nasa checkout page na po kayo, sa coupon code nyo po, meron po ditong hawak coupon. Click nyo po to enter your code. So, lalagay nyo lang po dyan yung code, then apply coupon. Then you will receive po na if coupon code is applied successfully. Makikita nyo po yung sa summary kung talagang nagkaroon ng magkano discount na nabigay po doon sa specific product. Okay? So again, hindi po siya applicable sa lahat ng products. It depends po dun sa promo. Alright? So thank you and God bless.